Hello there and thanks for connecting. It's Tuesday, 25th August 2020. I am Adetola Kayode with Newstrail for today. There are plans to concession 41 airports across the country for 25 years. That includes 5 international airports in Lagos, Kano, Port Harcourt, Abuja, and Maiduguri. Minister of Aviation Hadi Sirika made this known at a public hearing put together by the Senate Joint Committee on Finance and National Planning. Sirika says there's a need to properly fund the country's aviation sector, which was one time the fastest growing industry in the pre-COVID era, now the worst hit due to the pandemic. The Presidential Task Force on COVID-19 has decried the biting effects of COVID-19 despite being on a steady decline in the last few months. The chairman was also the secretary to the government of the Federation, Boss Mustafa, urged states to step up testing and declare correct results to help deal with the virus early. Mustafa, however, expressed sadness over Professor Akin Abayomi, the Commissioner for Health in Lagos, contracting the virus, wishing him and other frontline health workers speedy recovery. Meanwhile, Nigeria has recorded 321 new cases, bringing the total number of infections to 52,548. Recoveries are nearing 40,000, and deaths sadly put at 1,004. And in sports, after spending 5 months in detention, Barcelona and Brazil football legend Ronaldinho has been released from house arrest. That's not after consenting to all of the release conditions, including paying £69,000 in damages. He was released alongside his brother Roberto. They were detained after trying to enter Paraguay with forged documents. The 40-year-old former World Cup winner is, however, free to travel to whichever country he wants in the world, but he must inform the authorities for 1 year if and when there's a change in his permanent residence address. With the theme Land of Promise, the U.S. Republican Party has kicked off its national convention with notable speakers taking the stage, including Senator Tim Scott, former UN Ambassador Nikki Haley, Donald Trump Jr., and Democrat Vernon Jones. Earlier, President Trump and his vice Mike Pence were formally re-nominated during a roll call vote that took place in Charlotte, North Carolina. Meanwhile, 27 former Republican members of Congress have endorsed Democrat Joe Biden for president on the first day of Republican National Convention as part of the Republicans for Biden initiative. And that's Newstrail for August 25th, 2020. Please do not forget to follow, like, and comment on all social media platforms and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am Adetola Kayode. It will be a fruitful day. Make it count. Ciao.